Here's a breakdown of the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga padded denim hoodie. One that's made in the US, size medium, and one that's made in China, size large. So first off, on the outside, you'll see the US one is a little bit more washed. It's a little bit lighter in color, subtle, but pretty much everything looks the same, to the point that even where is one? There's some things along the cuff there. This one along the cuff has the same thing, except for the inside of this one is lined, the entire thing, so you can't see any of these. Like, your finger can't stick through when you're putting it on. This one, on the other hand, you'll notice, is that there's not like a lot of breakdowns, but some people said the China version isn't lined, but that's not entirely true, because like this part right here is lined up near the, nope, maybe not that one, over here, there we go. Up there, it is lined, so my finger's right on the other side of this. You can see that it has the lining for a little bit of the arm. And then there's a hole in the back of that one. That one also has a little see-through bit. The padding is quite a bit more substantial in the China compared to the US. You can kind of see it bubble up a fair amount, whereas this one, US one, does not bubble up nearly as much. But yeah, I mean, I don't know why it says extra large on the US tag. It's definitely a medium, because you can see that much goes down that much further. The China tag, yeah, what is these pads are made out of? Let's say cotton, EVA, and polyethylene, and different materials. The stitching, you'll notice on the US version, is a little, maybe not, if not sloppier. They like leave some stuff, whereas the China version looks very clean on the inside. And there's nothing, and when you press on these, there's a fair amount of padding, and there's no like crinkly sound. This, the 100% cotton, allegedly, there's just the littlest bit of crinkling. I'm gonna put the mic next to it. Oops. And what I think that is you can see right here, some of it rips out. It's like, I don't know. Maybe it's just like they surrounded the cotton in a little something, but for the most part, they're fairly similar. A little bit lighter, a little bit darker. More of the sleeve is lined, less of the sleeve is lined. Thinner padding, thicker padding. That's it. That's the Yeezy Gap Denim US versus China version. And last thing I guess I'll note is you can see that like the arms, they're pretty similar in terms of where the distressing is. Boom, boom, boom with a little above it, boom with a little above it, hand. So yeah, anyways, I hope this helps someone who is purchasing them. This one's going to a friend, so I won't have this one for much longer. So this is the only video that I'll make. Good luck, everyone. Oh, and the doves I added them on. The doves did not come included. All right, last thing is I'll flip these suckers over, and then I'm out. China, US. And this one really does feel more substantial. Like,